Hi everyone, today I want to teach you guys exactly how to wire a single light switch or a one-gang switch in easiest way as possible. And before we start, let's take a look at a one-gang switch itself. A one-gang switch is used to control one separate light fixture in one location. And if you look here again, you will see that we have a distribution board here. This is where our light and neutral wire is going to come from. We have a switch box here. This is where we are going to put our switch. So subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and let's begin the training. The first thing we are going to do is to run our wire. So when you look here closely, you can see that I've already connected my two wire to my light bulb, the red wire and the black wire. And if you don't know how to do that, let me show you exactly how to do it. When you look at this lap holder closely, you see that it has only two terminals. So you're going to connect your red wire to first terminal and your second, and your neutral wire and your black wire to the second terminal. That's exactly how to do that. So what I'm going to do is that this neutral wire, this black wire from my light bulb, which is going to be our neutral, I'm going to run it from this my light fixture here directly to my distribution board. And the second thing to do now is to run your live wire from your distribution board down to your switch box here. So for the live wire, I'm using this red wire for my live wire. And now this one here is the control cable from the light bulb. I'm going to put it to my switch box also. So this two wire here is what we are going to connect to our switch. Now here is the one-gang switch that we are going to use to control this single light here. And before we connect it, let's take a look at the connection terminals of this one-gang switch here. When you look here, you will see L. L is the common terminal of this switch. And if you look again, you see L1 and L2. So we are going to connect this our live wire from our distribution board to L1, the common terminal of this switch, and this one that goes to our bulb to L1. When you look here closely, you can see that here is the two wire that we have in our switch box. This one that I twist like this is the live wire from our distribution board, and this one here is the control cable, the one that goes to our light bulb. This live wire from our distribution board, I'll put it to L, the common terminal of this switch, and tighten it. And then this one from our light bulb, I'll put it to L1 this way, and then tighten it. So guys, now we are done with the switch. You can see it's the moment I press the switch down, our light turns on. You can see it guys. So this is how to wire a one-gang switch. So thanks so much for watching, and if you find the video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video.